Ready for a little game?
I'm really, really, really bad at games. I'm just gonna warn you now.
Hot dog or hamburger?
Hamburger.
Butter tarts, raisins or no raisins?
Ew. No raisins.
Coffee or tea?
Coffee.
I never go this late without having coffee. Bad things are about to happen.
Campfire, log cabin or teepee style?
I'm getting a tan.
I just like campfires.
Marshmallows, burnt to a crisp or golden brown?
Golden brown.
Rolling hills or Canadian shield?
Ooh, rolling hills.
Cannonball or dive?
Dive, but I like watching cannonballs better.
Cats or dogs?
Dogs.
Where did all the food go?
Off-road or highway?
Ooh, off-road.
Spicy or sweet?
Spicy.
Sunset or sunrise?
Sunset.
Summer or winter?
Summer.
Nightclub or bar?
What's a nightclub? Again?
Chocolate or vanilla?
Chocolate.
Sneakers or heels?
These are really hard. No, can't do that one. No, no way. I can't pick one or the other. No. I feel more comfortable in sneakers, but I do like me a nice heel.